When automotive batteries operates, large currents flow inside components. Heat loss from the resistance parts reduces energy efficiency. EV battery packs are made by welding together many cells. So, the total voltage can be up to 800 volts. Welding or connection defects in power lines can lead to overheating, which can degrade batteries. In order to improve the battery quality, it's necessary to implement a testing that can reliably detect welding defects. Voltages occur across battery pack bus bars. Consequently, improper probe contact can cause voltage to be applied to the instrument. When this happens, the instrument gets damaged, and the inspection process on the production line has to halt. Plus, extra work is required to overcome this situation, such as switching over to a spare instrument. This will only reduce productivity. To address such issues, Hioki's welding resistance meter, RM3546, has the VPT feature. VPT is a protective circuit operates when excessive input is detected. When excessive input is detected, the meter will immediately stop the measurement. Measurement resumes automatically once the excessive input is no longer present. The meter can withstand voltage and overvoltage inputs of up to 60 volts. This allows users to measure battery pack bus bars that carry a voltage without worrying about instrument damage. The welding quality can be inspected by resistance measurement. Hioki provides solutions for accurate, safe, and efficient measurement of electrical testing in the welding process.